As a company, we're really working at the intersection of two very major trends. One is digital transformation, right? So it's business processes moving to the cloud, customers using FormAssembly to really streamline their business processes. And then the other trend is data privacy. Our goal has always been to place the bar as high as possible when it comes to security and compliance. We do it because our customers depend on it. And it benefits not just the Fortune 500 companies, it benefits every customer that we have, like the small businesses, the nonprofits, because it allows us to handle that data on their behalf with a level of security that they probably couldn't get on their own otherwise. Whether it's helping our customers be good stewards of the data that they collect, or making it easier for them to really build those workflows, those process automation. There's a lot of things we want to do to continue to build upon that. More integrations, more ways to interact with the product, but that's going to remain the core of what we do.
We go above and beyond to ensure that our customers can use our product in the way it was intended to be used. We are invested in them not only just to keep them happy with our current product, but really to look at all the problems, all the pain points, and all the opportunities they have to do their jobs better. And we are thoughtfully going after that in our roadmap. Workflow is one of those things that is going to take us from the data collection space to really process and business automation. So I have this application, but where does it need to go to next? What information needs to happen here for it to move here? That all gets set up in the beginning with workflow, and it's automated after that. So I feel it has a ton of potential. So that's what we're trying to bring to the table.